Thank you for bringing the ball back. Oops, 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 oops. Come on, don't be shy. Thank you for bringing the ball back, my love. Wow, very good. Very good, my darling. Oops. Taro nga, catch be. Come on. Yay, good girl. Yeah, lovely. Very good. Asa to si Mau be? Small ka talaga eh. You catch it. Yeah. Very good. You catch it. Yeah, that's good. Birdies. Hello, birdies. Asa ang bird? Tara, ang bird asa sa trees. Sa coconut tree. Coconut trees. Napo dito sa laing trees oh. Yeah. The birds there, and there also the birds are singing. Huh? You heard the birds singing, yeah? Oh, the birds are singing. Oops. Mahal. Go get the ball. Get the ball. No catching. Ay, no catch. Don't catch. You go there and get the ball. Na. For exercise ba? Running for exercise, love. Go. Anya na po tayo mag-catching. Yeah. That's it. Para exercise amo lab no. Go, go, go. Yeah, you did it. Very good, yeah? Oh, very good man. Yeah. Very good. You catch again. Ganahan kang mo catch. Okay. Catch it. Come on. Yeah. Good girl. Very good catcher. Very good catcher, my love. Yeah. Very good. Very good catcher, my darling, no? Good man. Oops. Oh. Exercise. Good exercise. Mula sa kong palangga, no? Catching and throwing and catching and running. Go, run. Yeah. Ras bala. Ay, sikoan mau. Mawix. Hello, Mawix. Mawix. Hey, what are you doing? Asa dito lang.